say she no fine, I like that. You say she no fine, you say she no born, oh. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife, oh. I like her like that. You say she no fine, oh. You say she no born, oh. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife, oh. I like her like that.
I will pray, make mother carry so that mama will not do it. In fact, any other day mama comes here again, I will not open that gate.
Ah, no fit.
Me.
That should be my girlfriend. Me, I'm going to finish you. Akudo! Maduka! Muna, come outside. Muna, come outside.
Mr. Mercy, good morning.
Akudo! Maduka! Muna, begin to come outside. They come outside, Nana.
There's nobody here. Oh.
You the Chris? When you see person sitting here, what you supposed to do? You're not supposed to greet her.
I greeted you, Nana. You didn't answer me.
As I know you don't go greet me again. Huh? Go inside. Go tell your brother, make him come outside with her. Because I dey go church. Because they carry Bible. Now make it see the people begin to play me like ball. I don't get sense. Go call her, come outside, Nana.
I don't understand you. Your sister is not here. And my brother has gone to the shop.
In go shop?
Yes.
Okay. Aluka! Hello! Where are they?
Get tired of searching.
Okay. No problem. That your brother. Now they find the go since. That your brother. With his smelling armpits. I don't want him before. See, I don't want to see her with my sister. I don't talk her, I don't shout her, I don't beg them. He say no go here. Last, the same way I go read for him. If you no mad, na small to remain. I dey go in shop now. If I meet her for in shop, by error, I can't see her with my sister. He go kill me for there. You dey hear me so?
What has he done now? Your sister is not here now.
I go. Let me dey talk to. Make her see her with her face. I dey go there. You go know say I be real one of God.
Ha!
I go slap you, you the Chris.
What's in this kind of Christian?
When she carry Bible, she know they nonsense. She said, make we repent, give our life to Jesus. If you don't want to go to heaven, you will go by.
Mama! Mama! Mama? Sister? Hey. Nonsense, stupid girl. Hey. Now, when I finish sweeping, I will go to Maduka's house now and eat good food. Nonsense. Maybe she said she was. She for stay for house now. Stay for house. I go chop better food. We get meat. Now this nonsense born again where they do.
The holy evangelist, heaven is our holy. Repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our home. Sister Mercy, they come, anointed evangelist. When she carry Bible, she know they take nonsense. She said, make we repent, give our life.
So one Rapu. When I was telling you that you see this girl, I must get that girl. You thought I was joking.
So finally, you have entered Jerusalem. You go marry.
Leave talk. It's not something that you start jumping up and when we sit down properly, I'll gist you how it happened. You see that girl? I must marry that girl.
Because now your house now be they come now. Shebi you say you no go get sense. Now when my sister dey, what you use and do? What be your plans? Where you hide them?
Mercy, it's enough for you. How you go take leave your house, come here, come and tell me, say, where your sister? Now me they keep your sister.
Now which kind of foolish talk be that? Now which kind of foolish talk be that? You better tell me where you hide them now. You go tell me where you hide my sister. And if you no come tell me now, I come father say you get her for inside where my sister dey. I will surprise you. I tell you now, I will surprise you. I dey warn you now. Because you don't bow say you know get sense.
Yeah, Mercy. As you can see, we are going somewhere. Your sister is not here. Simple.
Now they follow this Chris person talk. Now they follow you talk. Okay, I agree say una be like twins. So you get Titus fish mouth, you get Titus fish nose. And they follow you the talk. And they follow you the talk. No worry. No worry. Make I just find out say you get hand for where she dey. Say you get hand and you dey hide her for somewhere. You dey hide her kudo for somewhere. Everybody go hear our voice. I dey tell you now. I don't want you now. You know I don't want you now. If I don't tell you, leave my sister, you say no. Leave her, you say no. Last, everybody go do okay, minus you.
Mercy, this embarrassment will stop, oh.
No worry.
It will stop, oh.
No worry.
This girl dey see vision.
Like play. This girl don't see vision.
How she take no say I get something with her sister?
I know. Guy, you need to be very careful with Akudo. Hey!
You know, I was even talking. Are you sure she did not even hear what we were saying when we were coming?
Hey! Mercy don't see vision.
No, I am suspecting that maybe that girl belongs to one.
That girl is an Obanje.
Maybe she belongs to all these secret
It's very
societies.
obvious.
I'm telling you.
Abageli, where are you? Abageli?
Papa!
Come.
Sorry, I was about to have my bath.
Alright. Where is Amara?
I think she left with Obianuju.
Okay. Sit down. We have a talk.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You see, many people think I'm a bad father. That I'm harsh and all that rubbish. The truth is that I don't take surrender in any fight. But for you, it's a different ball game. Yeah, you're here for me to take care of. Whatever you lack, I feel of. Will allow you to lack.
Thank you, Papa. I'm so glad to hear you talk this way too.
Okay. The issue at stake is this. In fact, I would have dedicated Onyeka to do it, but Onyeka is a small boy. And I was asking myself, why delegate somebody when I'm still alive? So, to simplify it, I want to remarry you.
Papa?
Eh?
What did you just say?
I want to remarry you.
Hey! Yeah! Wow! Alo.
You
want to remarry me?
Yes.
Hey!
No, but what Obi, since you lost your husband, you've been alone. Even when I tancha, I got not here, not here. But who is there to do it? I've told you earlier that Onyeka is too small to handle it. Keep Onyeka get maybe no. Onyeka is still a small boy. But more budget and budget. Yes. So in any case, it's not an issue you say no. You have no right to say no.
God forbid. Over my dead body, Papa. Let me just pretend as if I didn't hear you. Let this be between you and I. I won't do it.
Obi,
not in my life.
If you say no,
Papa,
prepare for your burial.
I am ready.
You are ready for burial?
Yes, Papa.
Obiageli, ready to die. Burial. You see it? Do you see it now? Eh? Uwa tuwari lunya, tuwari ata. Osni actually tuwari chi, ayajoya. On tuwari ka apodalo no wa.
Brother is here.
welcome.
Hey.
Brother, welcome.
Mama, please. Can you call the guest? I can see her. I don't have time to waste. Please.
Collins, you're always in a hurry. Eh?
Mama, how did you manage to convince brother to come and see Obioma?
Udoka, when a child, a son loves his mother, he does everything to please him. Now, what's up? Run to Obioma's house, tell her to come at once. Her husband is here. She should come immediately at once.
Brother, welcome.
Brother, welcome. Don't call me a husband. I have a wife, Mama. I just came here to see her as she requested. Don't call her a wife.
Collins, calm down. You will like her just when she's coming. Let's go inside and wait for her. Please.
Fine, yeah, wait for her. Yeah.
Collins. Oh. Yeah. So when I go inside, you run away. Come back. Both of us will stay here and wait for her. Anna? Me and you will be here while waiting for them. You can't run away from me. No. Yeah. Collins.
Akudo. Now where you go this morning?
You just come from Monica.
I dey come from us. Mox now go. You dey hear me so? Where you go?
I go stream, I go fetch water. Mama no tell you.
Mama tell me. As Mama tell me say you go fetch water, I run go stream. I reach stream, I don't see you there. Now where you branch go?
I no branch anywhere. I no even look left, I no look right. I just go straight, come back straight. Yes.
Okay. Now who carry my Bible for here?
Give me Bible. I'm not selling Bible.
You don't do something. Your bone don't strong. I dey come. Moses, remove your shoe. For the ground where you're about to stand is holy ground. It's holy ground. Oh yeah. Swear with Bible say you know branch. So you know that I don't begin to see vision. Christ in me, now be the hope of glory. I don't begin to see things. So I know say you don't go do something today. That come out where you come out so. Oh yeah, make you swear if you no go die.
Sister, I no go anywhere. I go stream, come back. I no follow the major road. Now I follow. If you want my swear, give me the Bible. Give me now.
Okay. But still, because I don't trust you at all, you go read Psalm 53. That's one a forgiveness psalm. Make you go read them. You don't hear me so? Because I don't trust you.
Some people will come missing, go read Psalm, go they pray for forgiveness.
Now waiting that's what coming. For your mind now, you don't guide me. When the Spirit of God come upon David, what do? You know dance naked. You go see yourself.
Holy, Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, heaven is our holy. Repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our holy. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, heaven is our holy. Repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our home. Sister Mercy, the Congo, anointed evangelist. When she carry Bible, she know they make nonsense. She said, make we repent, give our life to Jesus. If you don't want to go to heaven, you will go by force. Holy Mercy, Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Heaven is our home. Righteousness, repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our home. Holy. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Heaven is our home.
Ada, baby. Ada, when are you going to seduce me?
Sigini. Bia. Hana pogi bobo in Eko. Are you mad? Is there something wrong with you? What's the meaning of that now?
Let me the open eye for. I better know this for people where they seduce.
better be careful. That I bring food for you in this house every day does not give you the right to insult me or even talk to me anyhow. Wait first. If you see me for road, if you talk to me, Mwa, Ada baby, full package, you fit stop me.
Oh, so it has gotten of showing levels, Abi? It has gotten to showing levels. See, Ada, if you see me, they drive my car. If you stop me for road, eh? See as you did. No let you they dream big.
Be only car, a bike, a bookie.
Hey, you say waiting. Madam really needs to be very careful. Since you have full package now, eh? You be DSTV, Abi. I need to tell Madam because she needs to be very careful because some people are here for mission. Eh? See, the plan you and Mama make the other day, eh, will not work because I have to tell her everything.
Now, Bobo. Why you talk like this now? You know, say you be my person. Eh? Someone cannot play with you again. Eh?
See, I say Akwasia. Come on to seduce you now. They talk anyhow like this.
Okay, I will seduce you. Eh? How do you want it? I will seduce you anyhow. How do you want it?
Just from the back. Hmm? Just. Oh yeah. In fact, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Collins, look at her. Is she not beautiful enough? Eh? Look at her. You see children written all over her. Obi, turn around. Show my son that thing. Yeah! Dikeh.
But that one, Amaka, she's okay, very, very okay.
I'll slap you. Do you think I'm joking here?
Mama, I've seen her, she's okay. What else do you want me to do? You want me to start sleeping with her here?
Collins, you're always in a hurry. That's not how it is now. Eh? Talk to her. You know? Tell her that you want to marry her.
Mama, I will accept it. Don't bother asking me. Brother Collins, I love you.
Yeah!
Bam! Brother, carry go.
Collins, let me tell you something. A rich man without a child is a rich mess. You see these guys in the city and abortion are like food and water. Yes, Ogechi will not give you a child.
Mama, I've heard you. None of this are so many talks. Okay. Please, she's here and I'm here. She's okay. We need some time to get to know each other, alright? So for now, please, I would beg to take Obioma out so we can talk. Get into the car.
Good boy. Obi, hey! This way.
Go.
Okay. Go.
Bye-bye.
1, 2. They go. Come on, give it. And give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him anyhow. I want the children coming from left and right. Hey. Inside. What's wrong with you? You will follow your husband's car, not your brother's car.
Hey. Mama, you let me go with them now.
Bye-bye. Oh.
Damn! Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grandchildren. Hey, bring them.
Sister, why are you locking me inside the house? It's not good, oh. It's not good. Why will you lock me inside now?
Now you go stay until I go mountain, come back. I don't lock the door. You don't hear me so? Because save my sister. I go just pity you. I will come back from mountain at least by 6 o'clock.
What if Mama come back? How she will take enter inside house?
You go tell and say that instruction where I give from the prophet. Make she not allow you come outside. Stay there like that until I come back from mountain. When I don't go mountain, the spirit of the Holy Spirit don't fall on top of me. I don't begin to see the visions clear. I go come, I go tell you what happened yesterday, today, forevermore and tomorrow. You go no say you're supposed to fear me. So, is it I believe what you tell me today? It's say me, I believe what you tell me today.
I don't like this kind of thing. I'm hungry. If I want it, I won't say it.
Okay. I dey come.
When she got it by she no dey make nonsense. She said make we repent, give our life to Jesus. If you don't want to go to heaven, you will go by force.
Honey, why did you stop?
Look, don't ever call me that, okay? I don't ever want to hear you call me that again. I am trying to be as nice as I can, just because you have not done anything bad to me.
Thank you. Me too. I just want to help you. I want to give you a child. Please.
Let me finish. Look, it's so irresponsible and shameful how a girl like you who stoops so low to plan such evil with my mother. You want to get married to another married man? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Let me ask you something. How would you feel if you had to be in my wife's shoes? How would you feel that another woman is trying to chase you out of your matrimonial home? How would you feel?
Obviously, I will not be happy.
Oh.
But that will not happen to me. Because I know I will give my husband children. I know I have children in me.
Such a shame. Such a shame. You are such a disgrace to womanhood. You want to give your husband children. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look, I'm trying my best not to insult you. Don't make me insult you again. Excuse me.
You say she don't find you. You say she don't bother.
Here is 200,000 naira. If you want more, I will give you. If you want me to train you, I will train you to any level you want. I want you to take this, go back and meet my mother. Tell her you're not interested, okay? You are not interested in Collins or whoever. Take this.
Brother Collins, I don't want your money. It's you that I want. I'm just interested in you. Please, let me help you. Let me give you a child.
Come on, will you shut your stupid mouth? You want to give me a child? Are you my God? What is wrong with you? I can see you're senseless. I can see you're a bunch of idiots. Look, God knows I've tried my best to be nice with you. But it's obvious you're daft.
Are we not going out again?
If you want more, if you near me, I will slap you. Going out here with you.
I'm not going out. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
You want me to slap you, right? Come on, get your pity out of me. Are you stupid? When you can one of your village out?
You say she no born. She be my choice and she be my wife. I like her like that. You say she no find you. You say she no born. Now she be my choice and she be my wife. I like her like that. You say she no find you. You say she no born. Now she be my choice and she be my wife. I like her like that.
Brother, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. Here is your food.
Okay, thank you.
Brother, is Akudo here?
Akudo is not here. Why did you ask?
You see what happened today? Huh? Mercy came to the house looking for the sister. She was so angry. She even entered our house, searching everywhere.
What?
Yes!
Mercy?
Yes, so.
On that water?
No, brother, the way that girl sounded, like the way how angry she is, please, I beg you in the name of God, avoid her. Avoid anything concerning that family. Please. She even threatened to pray midnight prayer for you.
For me?
Yes, so. She said she will do midnight prayer for you. Yes.
Well, I've heard what you said.
So bad, just be careful, please. Take care of yourself.
When she got the Bible, she know they take nonsense. She said, make we repent, give our life to Jesus. If you don't want to go to heaven, you will go by force.
You know the problem I have there is to get this food across to Akudo. Honestly, that is my problem.
Marika, so you want to take this food to Akudo? Eh? When did you start feeding her?
Onyeka, it's not as if I am feeding Akudo. Besides, if I am doing it, it's not wrong. I know they are doing fasting and prayer in their house. And Akudo does not want to do the fasting and prayer. Do you understand? So the funniest thing now is that Mercy, her sister, locks up the food in their cupboard so that Akudo will not have access to it. Do you understand? So I promised her that if I come across any food, I'll make sure she eats. And that is what my concern is as I speak to you.
Monica, don't say it, I don't want you. When Mercy will do midnight prayer for you. Hey! Oh God,
Midnight prayer for me. So my mouth and my knees are not for prayers.
Okay.
Did that thing do tidy what you're tidying? You see that they are scared of this Mercy. They are like it. It's not for me because I
Repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our holy. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Heaven is our holy. Repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our holy. Sister Mercy, they come, anointed evangelist. When she carry Bible, she know they take nonsense. She said, make we repent, give our life to Jesus. If you don't
Obioma, what is it? Obioma, here's my brother. Hope you would not ever see that on the road. Obioma, talk to me now. Mama, because I don't understand this. Obioma, talk now. Obioma, where is my son? Where is my son? Obioma, what happened to my son?
Mama, Collins has finished me. He dragged me out from his car. He pushed me down. Mama, you didn't have seen what he did to me. He slaps me like a baby, Mama. Imagine me of all people.
What did you say? What are you telling me, Obioma?
Collins opened his mouth and said that he's no longer interested in me. He has come back to the city.
What? There is no way. Mama, brother can never do this. Brother can never do this. It will never happen.
Obioma! Collins cannot dare me like this. He knows I'm his mother. Yeah!
Mama, Collins gave me money. He said I should collect it and forget about him. I said no. He got angry.
Mama, brother only used your brain. I told you he never wanted this. Eh? When I told you let me follow them, Udoka, come back. I told you let me follow them. Now look at what have happened.
Hey!
Eh?
Collins, you have dead me. Just wait for me. It is war. Udoka,
Mama,
go and get your phone.
just wait for me. I'm
Fast.
coming. Yes, Mama, I'm coming.
Hey! Me, Collins! No! Don't worry. Collins will see war. Yeah! I will go with my hands, my leg. Hey! Udoka, where are you?
Thank you, Mama.
go by force, holiness, you. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, heaven is our home. Righteousness,
Power, God, give me power. Give me power to perform miracles. Many people know say your word is real. Give me power. How long I will beg you for power when you don't want to answer me, God? Give me power. Give me this power, I beg you, God. Don't be say I don't spoil myself. I keep myself, I don't know, man. Because of you. Small children will not even know anything. They perform miracles. Give me power to perform miracles, Malika. Lazandarebo, give me power to perform miracles, God. Mercy, I don't call your name tired. Lord, I don't get tired. Give me power. They can perform miracles. I beg, God, I beg, give me power. I be all servant. I won't preach your word. Give me power. I won't perform miracles. No, allow me go back like this. They gonna laugh me for that delay. They gonna laugh me, God. Give me power. Give me power. Give me power. Heavenly Father, I say, have mercy, may you give me power. Now your name, now I know your name, I they call. Give me power, Papa. Give me power. You say heaven and earth go pass, but your word will say, your word say, they when they call upon you, they go be like Mount Zion. Papa, give me power. Give me power to perform miracles. I beg God.
sinners will go to hell. Oh. Heaven is our home. Holy, 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 holy. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Oh. Heaven is our home. Holy, 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 holy. Repent, oh, sinners will go to hell. Oh. Heaven is our home. Sister Mercy, they come, oh, anointed evangelist. When she carry Bible, she know they take nonsense. She say make we repent, give our life to Jesus. If you don't want to go to heaven, you will go by force. Holiness, you. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, you. Heaven is our home. Hey, righteousness, repent, you. Sinners will go to hell.
Monica, you are very mean. So we would have waited for that girl. Hey! Idiot. Because you know I love that girl. Do you understand? If not that you even advised me not to go to her house, I would have come there myself. Just that I did not want to make it look as if I am the one stopping her. You are already the one, Maduka. I'm sure you might have kissed her in the bush. Or even did the main thing. Eh? Now you brought food for her to eat. What else have you not done against this fasting? Eh? Must her sister force her into doing fasting and prayer? I'm asking you. Fasting and prayer should be a voluntary thing. I am very, very sure that Akudo did not want to do that very fasting and prayer. I am very sure of that now. He said, Sinakara, I know I never told the fasting. Eh? Don't worry, I love that girl. I know where to get her tomorrow. Anyway, in that case, let us enjoy the food together now. Eh? Come on, Baba. Enjoy it. Maduka, let us enjoy the food together now. Don't you have a sister at home? Don't you? Don't you have a mother at home?
Maduka, let us eat our wife's food. She's now our wife.
Wife again, are
Your wife, our wife. All
I
of one.
shut up, gun.
Holy, holy, holy. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Oh. Heaven is our home. Holy, holy, holy. Repent, oh, sinners will go to hell. Oh. Heaven is our home.
Mercy, you don't have to be wary. This is what all the apostles of Christ went through. You see, the Bible says, blessed are you when you are persecuted on my account.
So, I don't tire. You have to the reason why I get strength to. You have to the reason why I have strength. I know. Between me and you. God no try. You no try. Just turn him back against me like that. Eh? I don't need that. I don't cry. I don't beg her. I don't roll for ground. I won't serve God. Make him just touch my hand. Give me power. Make her just do half miracle. I don't want full miracle. Half. You just burn me. Now me everybody take laugh for this video. They use me. They do it. They use me. They laugh. They don't regard me. Woman of God. Aspiring woman of God.
Mercy. Don't say that. You see, when it happens like this, you begin to feel God has abandoned you. No, He hasn't. Be persistent, okay? God is only putting you through a test. Mercy, you will still suffer. Yes, that is when God is putting you through a test.
Pastor, I used to beg you. Any suffer, we pass this suffer, I don't suffer now. You get hunchback. I don't want to get hunchback for this life where you see me so. And I don't want that. You understand? Because I don't already pledge to God. See, I don't go no man. Now in word I go follow. I won't serve God, you understand? I won't like it be like burning fire shut up in my bones, like Jeremiah talking. I won't serve God. But now, since I opened this church, only 5 members. That 5 members, me, I follow. So by the time you come and speak for that 5 members, they go remain 4. That remaining 4 members now, my ma and my sister follow. And now Cain, I go hold their neck. That's my sister. Now goat, I'll carry Cain before you go come church. Minus just 2 of them now, only 2 members. Oh, I put red carpet for the church. See, I put red carpet to receive them. They don't get come. Tire.
Mercy, you even started big. Yes. You remember Pastor David? He started with his wife alone for 2 whole years. Yes. How about me here? I started with my wife and my son. You remember Pastor Ifoma? She started with her brother. But today, the glory of the Lord is everywhere in the church. The church is full to capacity. The gallery overflows. Be patient. It will only take time. Remember what the Bible says in Habakkuk 2. It may tarry, but the fullness of time, it will come to pass. Be patient. Let me pray for you. Give me your hands. Father, in the name of...
You say she no fine, I like him like that. You say she no fine, oh. You say she no born, oh. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife, oh. I like her like that. You say she no fine, oh. You say she no born, oh. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife, oh. I like her like that.
Yeah, baby, welcome.
Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm not bad.
How did it go?
Well, everything went as planned.
Really?
As planned.
Okay.
Yeah. Mama has gone back. That's the most important thing.
Yeah. So, just
she thought she was smart. She never knew her brains are simply ancient of days. Can you imagine this stupid girl? I gave her 200,000 for her to stop the useless plot she has been plotting with Mama. She refused. She said, no, it's you I want. It's you I want. I want to have babies for you. What nonsense?
God, seriously, that girl must be stupid.
Very foolish. She is very, very foolish. Where's Bobo? Bobo! Come here.
That girl is very
Listen, come. Any day Mama comes into this compound, I will skin you alive. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Whenever she comes here, including my sister, make sure you call me on the phone. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Now get out.
Thank you, sir.
Honey.
Yes, baby. Don't mind them, baby. I have bitter leaf soup. And you know now, pounded yam. Come, let me go and feed that tummy.
I trust you.
Let's go inside, baby.
I missed you.
Let's go inside.
Oh, God.
That girl is stupid. My own husband.
Keep trying. Ha! What I will do to them? Hey, they will not believe it.
Mama, we should go there. We should pay them a visit. It will be better.
Yes, Mama. Obioma is right. We should all go back to that house. If that girl is back, we will beat her up and send her back to her father's house.
I'm going to deal with the gate man and that girl. Chai! Collins, you dead me. Okay. Obioma,
Mama.
prepare. We'll be going to the city.
Okay,
You know?
Okay, Mama, thank you.
If Collins don't marry you, I will die.
Yeah! You will not die, you. I still need you.
Yes, Mama. You can never die. Instead of you to die, I personally, Udoka, will kill that girl called Oge.
Udoka, it will be like the coming of Christ. Chai! It will be a surprise package for Collins and that girl. Oh yeah, let's go.
Honey, you should have picked her call. You know, Mama.
Well, listen, it's better I don't pick her call, okay? I don't have strength for her. I'm going to kill myself if you don't do this. Look, it's better she kills herself if she wants to kill herself. I don't have strength for that.
Seriously. She will be very angry right now. If she can fly, she will fly to the city.
Let her fly. Honey, let her fly. I'm waiting for her. Let me see how she can come into this house again.
I don't have strength. I don't have strength.
Okay, you called us. Listen, both of you. Listen attentively. Any day my mother will come here and you let her into this house without my permission, that day I will skin both of you alive. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even if I travel, make sure you call me on phone. Inform me first. In fact, don't even let her in. I don't want her into this house again. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Go.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, Bobo. Make sure you iron that shirt. I'm going out ready.
You say she no fine, you say she no born,
Honey,
yeah?
what if you traveled out of the country?
Honey, is there a problem with that? Then you call me on phone.
Good. I don't want this trouble. I don't like this.
Don't let that bother you, alright? Honey, come on, please, chill. Alright. Yeah. Come on, chill for me there, please. Can you happen? Yeah, I love you.
Why? Why are you doing this?
Because I love you.
God, what is this? Eh? Is this how you taught the disciples to fast? Eh? I think this girl had died. Mama! Mama! Now what's happening for you? Now how you manage to carry this girl come up for their place? Hey, don't ask me that. Look at us, she fainted. How you take her come up for inside house? You broke the door? Yes, I broke the door. No. This one no be talking. She fainted. No be talking when they talk. They stand and be this. How you break the door? Eh? Mercy Chuku, this is my husband's house. Don't make me angry. In fact, don't make me angry. Don't know what to do to your sister. How about if she had died? Mama, people who don't give their life, who don't die because of their faith in Christ Jesus, they plenty. This stupid girl here no gonna be the best person, and she not gonna be the last. I never ever hear since the day when you born me, I never hear say person die of hunger. It's not there they pretend. What? Is that what you're going to say about your sister that almost lost her life? You are heartless. Away from him, Mama. Eat the wicked. Eat the wicked. Where is that food? Show me how you hide food. Let me go. 6 o'clock never knock, Mama. 6 o'clock never knock. The biggest what I do for her now because she's my sister now. If you drink water before 6 o'clock, go now. Mama, let me go. Hey, come back here. Leave her alone. Yes. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. I'm getting a medicine. She bites me. Yes, see. I should bite you again. So what up? Yes, see. You are no longer serving God. You are serving the devil. In fact, you are the devil yourself. Listen for. She give me rabies. Yes, see. She will give you again. It is what I'll give her the first person I've born again in this world. Born again, my foot. Don't make me stop supporting you. If I begin the back, go back. Back! What are you doing? Are you not backing already? You are backing! Oh yeah, follow me. I need to follow you play. Come here, Nana. You're not going to hide me. Wait. Come on, leave her. Mama, no. You know you destroy this guy. If this guy don't make heaven, the percussion down top your head. I tell you now. Are you destroy this guy though? Leave her alone. So, because of masquerade, when they celebrate evil spirits for this place, woman no go come outside, woman no go do anything, woman go do inside house, I'm going to kill you now. And they go worship my God. I only go. I'm going to follow you, I'm not going to follow you. Mama, leave her alone. Leave her alone. So, when I need to go, no while I'm here, they go now. She's not good. Let's just say, what's your concern now? I'm not going to follow you. Leave her alone. I'm not going to follow you. Leave me. Leave her alone. Am I supposed to go to church? Mass Nati. I don't serve my God. Where would I be here?
No.
Ma. Mama, allow her go. She wants to go. Let her go.
Because you know. No, when this thing will start, who will talk to me? I don't have a son. I don't have a husband. Who will talk for me?
Mama, see, when this thing starts, I will just want to talk to you. I'm going. But I don't.
No. Honey, I'm really going to miss you.
I'm going to miss you too. You know that. Don't worry, it's just 1 month.
1 whole month?
Yes, 1 month and I'm back, alright? I promise I won't stay more than 1 month.
It's okay, no problem.
Remember what I told you, okay? Don't let Mama into this house. Don't. Okay?
But honey, you know I can't deny your mother access to your house. What will people say? And you know her too well. She might create a big scene here.
Honey, listen. People can say whatever they want to say, okay? And mind you, whatever you do, people will still say something, okay? Look, even if my kingsmen ask, I will tell them that I asked you to do it, alright? Look, I am fed up with Mama's attitude. I am fed up. I've had it up to here. I can't take it anymore, alright? Hey, come on.
I just pray she will not come here till you're back. I don't want trouble. I don't even have strength.
Hey, come on, honey. Don't be scared, alright?
Okay.
You say she don't find you. You say she no born. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife. I like her like that. You say she don't find you. You say she no born. Now she be.
It's in the Bible commandment. The only thing you're supposed to be bow down for, now be God. If you bow before the other thing, like grieving image, now be that. Idol worshiping, all idolaters, all graven image, where you bow before, hellfire, hellfire. For it's appointed unto man, now wants to die. After that time, judgment. After that time, now judgment.
Mercy, go home now. You are not to be seen outside today. Go home.
Now which can't talk with that? Now which can't talk, make her they go home. You stand, they spread. You want to explode?
No say I don't want you. Mercy, we will beat you here now.
For waiting. You no go beat me. Even your masquerade no go fit. You don't tell me that kind of stuff. You see I'm now? When I the preach and sins, say all the boys for this village, all their armpit they smell. You know they believe. And you can't use your sweat to rub my hand now. What's it go happen? But let's say the whole Bible, no try that thing again. You don't go beat me.
That thing where you take your eyes see. You go take your head carrier. You go bend down your neck.
I say let's go the right and let's go
Your hair is due, but because women are not permitted to go out today, maybe tomorrow you go and make your hair. You lose this one. Maduka, no. You're welcome. I just pray he fetch enough water so that we can wash that cassava.
Of course.
Keep your head well. I didn't say you should sleep.
I'm tired.
I understand. Me too, I'm tired. Since you're losing the hair tomorrow, you better leave it like that. Since you're making it tomorrow.
Dora, you're going out. Are you through fetching the water?
Yes. Did you see him?
That water will not be enough.
You know, Mogo.
Madoka,
What?
we have cassava to wash. I hate this. Women are not permitted to go out today, but the men who are permitted to go out cannot be useful to us. How are we going to eat?
But Mama, I said this thing yesterday. I said it. The festival is starting today. And both of you should have gone to the river to fetch the water. And now I have basically gone to the river and fetched the water for you. You still want me to kill myself? Will I kill myself? Please, manage that one. If I come back and still have strength, I'll go get you another one.
Oh,
I
don't say this rubbish tradition. Imagine, this is how we shall be locked up in the house. I hate this.
Bye. Who is here? Yeah.
You say she no done, leave am like that.
Mama.
Good up. Open this gate. Who is your mother?
No, Mama. Don't be angry. No.
Get man. I don't know. Are you a fool? Come, what to be gate also?
No.
Take this one, oh. Take this Alika. Ordinary gate man. Common gate man. Can you imagine?
You don't want to open this gate? You don't want to open this gate, okay? Yeah, just wait.
Yeah, get my enya. If I climb this gate, if you make it, you meet yourself in a fire. Just tell me to
Udoka, calm down. Calm down, let me go through. Hey! Mama, don't worry. I know how to get over the compound. Mama, I'm going there. He doesn't want to open the gate, so let me go through. Yeah. Whoa. Mama, come down, please. Mama, you can't go. Get the man! He's coming.
I'm hearing voices. Who are those people shouting at the gate?
Is it not Mama? With Oga's sister, with one other woman that has plenty yansh.
What?
Yes.
Big Nyashwa.
Yes.
You're in trouble. Don't open that gate. Don't open the gate, oh.
I did not open it.
Going back to the kitchen. Don't open the gate, oh.
Okay.
I am a covenant child. I am a covenant child. I am a covenant child. Praise the Lord. I am a covenant child. They don't pursue you, eh? You get Chris? They won't pursue me. Eh? I don't change my mind, Mama. I don't go there, I don't go see them now. They will not there, they will fool everybody. Say if woman see them, woman will die. Not me, don't go there, go see them so. I die. Not me there.
Sister, you saw Ojono masquerade. I said you saw the masquerade with your eyes.
Ojono never come. But I go back, go see Ojono. I go back when I go back to church. Nothing will happen. Other one a nonsense tradition when they take fear when we small. If you see her, you go die, something will happen. Other one a nonsense stuff. Nothing will happen. As I go there now, I don't go see him, I die. No, I die here. Nothing do me. He that dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the canopy. Let me be this. What if you do me? You understand me now?
No. Who did this thing to you?
Nobody.
Why are you doing this to your own mother? Your own mother, your blood. This trouble you want to bring now, when it starts, who will talk for your mother?
Jesus Christ will talk for you. Bible say, cast all your burden upon me,
all you that are heavy lady, and I go give you rest. I'm God to talk for you. 3 people now in church Babylon. Because of me, this village, they must change. Yes.
Like this?
Yes. By force. You understand? And even if I see your journal, Psalm 109. Psalm 109. I go slap you now. Maybe you I tell me we go church together where you say you need to go. Eh? You don't sit down for house. Just pull on your belly. Just leave I go slap you now. You lucky oh. I go slap him now.
Righteousness, you say she no dog, leave am like that. You say she no fine, I like am like that. You say she no fine, no. You say she no bug, no. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife, I like her like that.
Mama, I'm so sorry. I want to drop my Mama. Ogechi. Mama. So you told this boy not to open the gate for me?
No. Okay? Mama, I didn't tell him. You come and open this gate, idiot. Open this gate. Mama.
You told this boy not to open gate first.
Mama, I didn't tell him
You want to die? You want to die?
Mama, please.
You want to okay, you're running away. You're running away. I'm coming for you. Hey. Very good. No problem. Yeah. Kill him. They will die today. Colleagues will come and meet me here. I get back to him. Kill him. Okay, what are you doing? Kill him. No.
Leave this girl alone. She's not our problem. Get that girl things out of here. Mama, let's go. Mama, let's go. Let's go. Let me take you to your room. You have come to stay in this house. Keep on inside. Let him travel. He will come back and meet me here. We shall be waiting for him here in this house. Let's go. Thank you, Mama. God, you must stop. Thank you, Mama.
They don't destroy my church. They destroy my church. No. I no go take him. I no go take him.
Mercy.
I dey go there.
Mercy, you should not go out there. They will just kill you. Mama, I came here to inform you people just because of Akudo. Mercy should not go out there. Ojonu is evil. They will kill her.
What have I done? What have I done? Why would I allow this to befall me?
Now. Nduka, Maduka, I beg you, try. God will bless us. You can tell us. They don't destroy my church. You know how many sweat that take sweat? Why they be that church? If they kill me, they not kill my soul. Last, the word of God, the power. And they go there.
Mercy. Mama, I have said it. They will just kill her. Ojonu is evil.
Mama, let's go to the bush now.
After her now. Don't let them kill her.
I will not go after her. No.
Mama, let's go.
See what you will do. No, see, you people should run to the bush. Go there. Hide. Let me stay here. They are coming to burn this house. Just go. Let me stand here and wait.
You're not leaving this house. Go back with your bag.
But madam, you really have to do something. Why is Mama doing this to us? Why?
Seriously, I don't know, Bobo. I don't know. And my husband has boarded. I can't reach him till he lands in China. That's the problem.
Madam, they are inside bringing out your things too. They are bringing out your things from your room.
My things? God, what have I done? What have I done to this woman? If I fight her now, what will people say? What will people say if I fight her? You know what? Ada, Ma? Don't worry. Go to your room. Lock your door. Did you hear me? Lock the door. Bobo,
Ma?
Go to your quarters. Lock the door. Do not open that door for anybody.
Okay, Ma.
Do you hear that?
Yes, Ma.
If they want anyone to leave, don't worry. I'll go. But I want both of you to stay back. Okay?
Alright, Ma.
Now hurry up, go.
Mother, where will you go to?
Don't worry about me. Don't worry.
You say she no bad, and she be my choice, and she be my wife. I like her like that. You say she no fine, you say she no bad, and she be my choice, and she be my wife. I like her like that.
Now this is the back. These are the things. you hearing me? Collins will come and meet me here, and I will show him the stuff I'm made of. Say, Papa.
Mama, why are you doing this to me? Mama, what have I done to you? Ma, let me ask you, what will you gain if I leave this house, Mama?
See, okay, or whatsoever they call your name. You see my mother, you're insulting like that. Now, listen to me. If you ever insult my mother again, I will burst on you like an angry lion. Look at me. Look at my new wife. Lenu, she is our new wife.
Yes, I'm here to give him real children, not they stay here.
Yes, leave, because this one has come to stay. But you're not living with that car. Are you hearing me? Because she will take over. Have you heard me?
These are not the things I have in this house. What about my big box?
Oh, big box.
Yes.
Big box, Papa.
I need my big box.
Udoka, Mama, let us go, yeah. Okay, follow us. Let us go. Let's go. Just wait for me, I'm coming. I'll bring the big box. Just wait for me now.
I have told you, run!
I will not run. I will not run. That is in me. Keep greater than you that is inside this masquerade.
Ojono!
The new development now be say, if I swear for you, he go follow you. If I swear for you now, he go follow you. So no do what you go make me swear for you. No call any pastor. I don't want to make anybody come here and come tell make I forgive all those evil men. Make I not do what I want to do. If you try am, I go swear for you and he go follow you. I get parole where I won't go wrong. Go back on that place, come back inside this house. Inside this house? No. For that field.